I was going to do a review here on this Greenworks. It's a 24 volt lithium jigsaw. It's a G24. It comes with the rechargeable battery and the power supply. You just push the button and slide this out. Pretty nice. Here's the charger, and it's got the lights and green lights on, green and red. And you're ready to get it done. Put it back. Here's what the box looks like. Pretty nice packaging. Let me get this box opened up and we'll look at the unit. The unit's really nice, good feel to it. Just get our battery. Shit, we'll just slide it on there. And it did. It slides right on there. Yep, plenty of power. Comes with 3 starter blades. And your instructions. Really nice feel, good unit. What we'll do when we get ready here, we'll try it out here and we'll demonstrate it. You got your power supply. Okay, I'll be back when we're trying it out.
Build a G24 jigsaw. I've already got the blade in there. It's got a little light comes on, and all you got to do is flick this thing over to the left. Make sure you have the gloves on. And you put the blade in. Make sure you have the battery out before you mess with the blade. Snaps in. We're just going to take a few little chops here. See if we can cut this board up a little. Barely even give it. And it just chops it off like nothing there. This little guy has a lot of power. Cuts really well. It's a little slow. It's got a light so you can see. It's got a finger guard here. That's the one be putting it down. You're going to keep your finger from getting in there. So keep it out of the way anyway. Speed up or go real slow. Let me go real fast. So it's cutting it really well. When you're done, you put the battery back on. It comes with a little Allen key right here for adjusting the angle. It's plugged right here on the side. Let's cut a little more. And all that, yeah. I'd say it works really well. This is the G24 jigsaw. If you like this video, go and hit that thumbs up and subscribe. Like I said, this battery's got a lot of power, and I got 2 batteries that come with this unit. If there's anything, when you're done with it, go ahead and take your battery out. Go ahead and be safe. And that's about a wrap for this. It's really good to hold. It's got a lock on the trigger. You got your tilt, your speed, everything. Like I said, the blade, you just flick this here, and the blade will come out, and you put another one. It comes with 3 blades, starter blades.